How to fix this version of WhatsApp has expired. If you have faced this problem and don't know how to fix it, first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp and see if there are any issues with the app. See everything is working normally, your texts are going perfectly fine, and if your WhatsApp is working normally, then you would want to open up your Google Play Store. And once you open up the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom right. Tap on the search icon and simply search for WhatsApp. Once you have searched for it, if you see an update button like this, you just want to go ahead and tap on this update button and it will update the WhatsApp automatically. So this error usually happens to those apps, the apps where it has not been updated for a long time. So make sure you are frequently updating all of your apps, and you could just go ahead and turn on auto update on Google Play Store as well, which would automatically update your apps whenever there is an update available. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to fix this issue easily. But if this does not fixes it, long press on the WhatsApp application, go to eye icon, then go to storage, and finally, you're gonna tap on clear cache. After this, head over to permissions, and once you head over to the permissions tab, you should be able to simply go ahead and make sure that all of the permissions are turned on. Once that is done, you could just go back and it should fix the problem. But if not, you could go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it again. And that should most definitely fix the issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.